are prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you something that makes a lot of traders to lose money, especially in a trending market. And right here, I'm treating this video. I don't actually release video anyhow. Look at what the traders are passing through, and I have to go a long way to make research and make those things to have solutions. The topic is rotational dynamics in Forex synthetic market. Okay, make sure you watch the video to the very end and be proactive. If you are losing money, make sure you subscribe to our VIP channels and enroll for our courses so that such stuff will start. And when market is trending in a given direction, it does so in a way that it can tend to remain in that direction. That's cool. So even if it creates some pullback or retracement, they are just trapped. The market keep going. Once the market is trending in a given direction, in the mt5, I'm gonna talk about this trend of a thing. Because some people think that trend is when market have a kind of movement modeled by a definite trend line. Not really like that. So in the application, you will understand what trend actually is. For market to change trend, it must go through geometrical transformation, and that is where rotational dynamics comes in. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a little bit illustration. So we have a price point. The price was at this point A. So the price was at a point A. This is a point A. Okay. And then create a significant length and reach a point B. That could be waves in between these 2 points. The market may not just move on a straight line. You could have wave. What we call trend is this AB. This length, this segment AB is what we call trend. So long the length of this movement is larger, is longer than any other length within that vicinity, we say that this market is actually trending right now. So you need immediate trend. You need to get immediate trend, you need to have information about the immediate trend for you to deploy rotational dynamics. Okay, so right here, what this topic is talking about is that instead of you to actually think that this market will change direction and start coming down, you just have to believe, you just have to take this idea into your mindset that this market can continue going in this direction until it performs a geometrical transformation, until it performs geometrical transformations, which means let's assume that it really start from here and move up to here and want to change direction, then it have to range, maybe shoot up range again and then gradually change direction. So this, whatever happens inside this loop is called rotational dynamics. Okay, now if market is moving from point A and then it flies and reach point B, okay, let's assume that within this level there were previous structures like resistance, where it's going up, where price went and come down. Okay, that doesn't mean as this one is approaching here that it will go down. No, even though previous swingings or previous structural level affect current path in the market, they doesn't have absolute control over that part. The part is controlled by its internal structures. Okay, so this the thing that actually controls this part is what is inside this part. Maybe 80% of controller of this part is what is within this part, while the remaining 20% is subject to the external structural events. Okay, so as prices approaching this point, your confidence level or your probabilistic expectation should be that it should continue going up, right? Okay, than going down. So that's the idea of what I'm trying to bring in this video. But if it does change direction, it will be a natural event and it will pass through geometrical transformation. And in most cases, geometrical transformation comes with different type of transformations. Okay, you can see a market that leave a point A and then fly to a point B and immediately change direction with little or no geometrical transformation. Such type of market do exist, but this only happen maybe 5% of the time. So 95% to 100% of the time, you expect market to pass through a lot of ups and down ranges, upswing, and it will create some upswing and then also create some overshoot, and then the other stuff that will happen trying to bring distraction. It might do all this and the market will still continue going in the current direction. These are philosophical ideas that can make you lose money for a very long period of time, and right now I'm going to try to deploy this idea for practical purposes. Okay, now this is a typical 4-hour time frame in the volatility 25 index, and we know that structurally this market experienced a massive sell, or let's call it supply, experience a massive supply here. Okay, and then you as a trader, you will be actually anticipating this market to have a definite sell near this zone or within this zone. But that's not the idea. You can't just, once the price hits here, you can't just come here and sell. No. The market must pass through geometrical transformation. Okay. If you are looking for sniper entry, that is another matter. That is another trading strategy, because it's going to be risky, but once you succeed, you gotta make massive profit. But I mean, for somebody that wanna manage his risk, you have to wait for a new trend to exist. New trend only exists when there is geometrical transformation have completed. So you see, this is the first approach. It hit and create liquidity sweep and drop. So what happened? We know that this market have a very strong support here, so that support is there, it's still active. Price have to go against the support. For market to change trend, price have to go against support and resistance, and these are part of the geometrical transformations, right? And so we have this, and the market break out of here. So we cannot say that all the stuff that happened within this side, I don't know how to model this, but I can use the drawing tools. All the stuff that happened within this session is called geometrical transformation or rotational dynamics, and it just happened. A lot of people will be struggling to enter the sell. They will lose money depending on the position of your elsewhere. The truth is, this is higher time frame, 4 hours. If you are trying to actually get bigger risk reward, it will not be possible, especially when you want to enter this market without waiting for a definite change of trend, because you really, unless you want to lose your money, because if you really want to make a huge risk reward, it will not be possible, because you will want to use smaller stop loss. So you want to enter the market somewhere here, and you want to put your stop loss maybe at 1000 pip or 2000 pips, which may not be possible because you see that market spike up and take you out, right? So it's all about timing. The time you enter market also matters. Maybe you are entering this market when this geometrical transformation has completed, so you will not be affected by those overshoots, by those ranges, by those liquidity sweep, and by those stop loss hunts, right? And so geometrical transformation is very, very important, right? So we call this region rotational dynamic session, geometrical transformation session, and then the market breakout of the support. It seems that this support is making this market not to sell. The market breakout of it to the downside. That marked the beginning of the downtrend. Okay, and so what's happened? We needed a pullback, and the market pulls back and create a massive sell. You can actually start planning your absolute entry and then going to lower time frame and looking for some loops for stop loss optimization. So one thing is to get a signal, and the other thing is to make most of the signal, like make the best money. That's why you need to enroll for our courses and mentorship. You have to subscribe to our VIP channel so that you get signals of 1:20, 1:30, 1:40, 1:50, 1:100, 1 infinity risk reward, right? You really want to make this money when the opportunity exists. You don't want to make small. You don't want to put $100 and get $200. You want to put $100 and get $1,000, $10,000. Why? Because it is hard to get opportunity. The reason why you keep losing is because you are impatient. You have been patiently waiting for price to hit here, but you still lose money because you didn't understand this idea that I'm talking about, right? And so we have the patience for you, and we do it for you, and we'll help you to make this money come real. Thank you, and bye for now.
Give me all you got if you're prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions.